All right, guys. So in this section, we are going to be learning the most, for us, as long as this strategy is concerned, the most important market structure, which is the ALGO market structure. So we are focusing on ALGO market structure. You already know. So the reason why I'm focusing on this ALGO market structure is that this is the market structure you always see most time, and these are the market structure a lot of people are not talking about because most people don't understand this structure, right? It's a kind of it's not actually that difficult, but it's confusing for if you're a beginner, okay? But once you follow whatever I'm going to be sharing with you right now, from the sketch and the drawings, okay, you already know what we're expecting in the chart, right? So if you look from here, okay, just from the beginning of the chart, you are even seeing something like that, okay? You are even seeing something like that. So if we check out this change of character right here, okay, so you can see the price broke structure above the previous one. So if the price is if the price must continue trending down, it should maintain this high, okay? But you can see that this particular level have broken this previous, okay, level, okay, and we have this low, which is here, right? You can see this low here. So after that, let me delete this. The next break of structure that we can see is here. There's a break of structure. Then where is the low after this break of structure? This is the low after the break of structure, okay? Now if you look there, the low that brought about this particular break of structure is this, okay? Then if you look from here, if I should straight this line here, there's something called the sweep of liquidity, okay? So here the price push below the previous low, which is this particular level here. You can take this or you can take this one here, okay? So can you see that the price move below it, okay? And this is exactly what we want. We want the price to push below it, maybe sweep it with just a wick or just a close of candle, just one candle before the price reverses and continue breaking structures towards the upward direction, okay? So if you look here, the price moved all the way to this level. You can see where the wick stopped, okay, which is here. So the price actually went below the previous low, okay? This is the first what we refer as the ALGO market structure. So we can label this. We can say we had our ALGO structure right there in the beginning of the movement, okay? We have ALGO structure right there. So the price keep breaking structures also. Sorry about this. So from here you can see that the price keep breaking structures towards the upward direction. You can see here after this you have this. Just pay close attention to whatever I'm going to be sharing with you, okay? So after this break of structure, where is the next structure, okay? We want to see a clear swing. You can even take this as a break of structure, but as a beginner I wouldn't advise you to start marking this. I'm just seeing this as inner structure or substructure. So here is a clear level, okay, right here, which if you check closely from what we are having, this is the point where after this week and all that, the price, you know, rally around here for a very long time before breaking right here. So after this break of structure, look at the low that's brought about the break of. This is the lowest point before the break of structure. So that is exactly where we are taking as our low. Then after that, we also had another break of structure right here, okay? The price broke structure, and where is our low? This is our low that brought about that break of structure, okay? Now after it, the price also broke structure towards the upward side, which is what we have right here. So this is another break of structure right here. So now after the break of structure, you can see before, when we have this break of structure here, the price started to create a high, okay, and decided to push back. So after pushing back, you can see from here, this is the low right here, and you can clearly see that this low is lower than this. If I should bring this drop here, sorry, drop here, you can clearly see that this is lower than this. So this is another ALGO market structure right here. So we have another ALGO market structure right here, okay? So if we keep the movement, okay, if you keep the movement, we can see this as a break of structure right here. Then the price also created a new high. Then we have another one here, so you can see the price keep breaking structure to the upward side. Okay, so let me focus on this example. So after this uptrending leg, okay, we have the change of trend or change of character when the price is actually showing sign of reversal. Then the price started breaking structures towards the downside. Okay, I want you to pay close attention. We have a break of structure also this level. Then the price created what a high. You can see from here we had that high which is for the reversal at this point. This is our reversal right here. Then all this is just inner structure. Okay, then when the price break the previous leg, okay, we have the second high created right here, okay. Then after that high, the price broke structure to the downside. So where is the next high? We had a low right here, then this low created this high. Okay, and if you check, if you look clearly, okay, if you look, you are going to see that this particular level is higher than this one. Okay, so this is exactly our next ALGO market structure. So if you should pick a line which is our horizontal ray, drop here, so you can see that this current high cleared the previous one. Okay, so we had our next ALGO market structure right here. Okay, I don't know whether you're getting me. These are very simple stuff. Just you want the price to invalidate this sequence. Okay, you can see this is higher than this one, and this one should be higher than this, but instead the current low become higher than the previous low in a downtrending market. So that is the problem. So once you see that, we have an opportunity for a trading opportunity right there. Okay, so now after this break of structure, the price keep pushing all the way to the downside. So let me see if I can pick another example in this chart. These are not uptrending market right here. Okay, this is the current chart. All right, so this is just a typical example of our ALGO market structure. So we're able to pick like 3 examples in this chart. Okay, so remember, you can do this in any time frame, but I prefer this, just a bonus tip, I prefer using 4 hours or 1 hour time frame, mostly 1 hour time frame, for identifying these different these market structures. Okay, and you know what we are focusing on is ALGO market structure, and we are adding also our advanced market structure. We are not doing anything based on what I taught you guys already in our basic market structure. Okay, so this is example of ALGO market structure. I wish you just go more into the research by going to your chart and see more examples of this particular market structure. Practice this thing and master it before jumping to the next slide. Okay, please don't forget to practice these things. Move from, you can see I'm using currency pair on this, so but the previous ones, that is for the basic market structure, I use indices. Now I'm using currency, so it works in any of these financial markets. So anyone that you want to check out, you can easily open your chart, start looking for those market structures. Okay, so that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.